Hi guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. After his little excursion today, his little day out, I noticed that the wire was beginning to dig in. So I'm going to take the wire off of this today and just give you a little quick update. This is my other little Christmas tree that I did at Christmas time. So I'm going to strip back all these dying off little leaves and take the wire off it today. I'm not going to show you that because that's just going to be boring for you. You all know how to take wire off. So, but give you another quick update about my pots, and they are beginning to dry really quite nicely. They're only dry to the eye at the moment, so I should imagine there's at least a week or two left for them to be completely dry. But as you can see, I think this one's turned out quite nice, and also likewise also this one here. Let me just bring that to the front for you. I think they've actually turned out quite nice. Hopefully they won't explode. Hopefully they won't explode in the when they get their firing. Yeah, so just a quick update. They're all doing well, and I'm looking forward to doing that video. I'm going to take the wire off of this, and I'll show you at the end when it's done. Do need to do some research on this because obviously it's the first of everything for me. So, and I want to prune this year, so I need to do some research and as to how far I can push it back and whether it'll bud back for me nicely later on. So, just a quick update. I'll see you all later. Ta-da!
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna.